हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्मान्य सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 8 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 16 रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईट. Textbook questions and answer. Question 1, fill in the blanks. 1. The perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence is called as dash dash. Answer is the perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence is called the normal. Then second, the reflection of light from a wooden force surface is dash dash reflection. Answer is the reflection of the light from a wooden surface is irregular reflection. Third, the working of a kaleidoscope is based on the properties of dash dash. Answer is the working of a kaleidoscope is based on the properties of reflection of light. Then second question, draw a figure describing the following. The reflecting surfaces of two mirrors make an angle of 90 degrees with each other. If a ray incident on one mirror has an angle of incidence of 30 degrees, I draw the ray reflected from the second mirror. What will be its angle of reflection? So let's see the answer. For the ray C, the angle of reflection is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the diagram. So you have to draw this diagram in your notebook. Then our question number 3 is, how will you explain the statement, we cannot see the objects in the dark room? Answer is, in a room that is completely dark, no light falls on objects. Hence, no light enters our eyes. Hence, there is no sensation of a vision. That is, we cannot see the objects. Question number 4, explain the differences between the regular and irregular reflection of a light. Answer is, for regular reflection of light, the angles of incidence as well as the angles of reflection are the same for all parallel rays of light incident on the plane and a smooth surface. Hence, the reflected rays are also parallel to one another. For irregular reflection of a light, the angles of incidence for parallel rays of light incident on the rough surface are not equal, and hence the angles of reflection are also not equal. Here the reflected rays are not parallel to one another and spread over a large surface. Question number 5 is, draw a figure showing the following. So first A आहे incident ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, point of incidence and reflected ray. Answer is, okay, तर बघा ही रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईटची डायग्राम आहे. दिस डायग्राम शोज the incident ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, point of incidence and reflected ray. Okay, so let's see the question number 6 is, study the following incident. So first of all you have to read this passage. Swara and Yash were looking in a water filled vessel. They could see their images clearly in the still water. At that instant, Yash threw a stone in the water and now their images were blurred. Swara could not understand the reasons for the blurring of the images. Explain the reason for blurring of the images to Swara by answering the following questions. Question number 1 आहे त्यामध्ये, is there a relation between the reflection of a light and the blurring of the images? So answer is yes. Then second, which type of reflection of light can you notice from this? Answer is, regular reflection of a light when light is incident on the still water, and irregular reflection of a light when light is incident on the water as ripples are produced on its surface when a stone is thrown in the water. Still water behaves as a plain and smooth surface while oscillating water behaves as a rough surface. Then third आहे, are the laws of reflection followed in this type of reflection? Answer is yes. Then question number 7, solve the following examples. So A आहे त्यामध्ये, if the angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degrees, what are the angles of incidence and reflection? Solution, The angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degree. Therefore, the angle of incidence first means I is equal to the angle made by the incident ray with the normal to the plane mirror is equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 50 degree. The angle of reflection, that is R minus I minus 50 degree. B. If the angle between the mirror and reflected ray is 23, what is the angle of incidence of the incident ray? Solution. The angle between the mirror and the reflected ray is 23 degree. Therefore, the angle of reflection R is equal to the angle made by the reflected ray with the normal to the plane mirror is equal to 90 degree minus 23 degree is equal to 67 degree. That is the angle of incidence is equal to I is equal to R is equal to 67 degree. तर बघा अशा प्रकारे इथे आपला जो चॅप्टर होता चॅप्टर नंबर 16 रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ अ लाईट याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स. कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.